Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited because we have the February Vellabox, my monthly candle subscription I love so much. So if you guys haven't been around and haven't seen me open Vellabox, like I said, it's a monthly candle subscription. They have 3 different subscription tiers. So starting at $10, then $20, and then $30. And the difference is the size and candles. You get a candle in each box, and then you also get an extra goodie as well. I love Vellabox. The candles always come from local artisans in the US, so every month is a different small business featured, and the candles are made in small batches. They're hand poured. They're free of any toxic ingredients that are common in commercial candles that can be harmful for you, your kids, your pets, you know, the environment. So it's really nice knowing you get amazing candles that are good for us and also smell amazing. The burn time's amazing. It's so good. They're a very eco-conscious company and I really appreciate that. So I love Vellabox. I actually get 2 a month. I get 1 set in PR, which we're opening today, and then I also just got my paid box. They're the same candle. I was gonna wait to see because sometimes I get different ones, so I can show you. So there is a profile you fill out when you get Vellabox. You let them know what scents you like, so I love it. Highly recommend. I have a link and a code with Vellabox I'll leave down below that'll get you $5 off any of the subscription options, so that is amazing. Take advantage if you're a candle lover or know someone else. It's a great gift subscription. You can gift like 3, 6, or 12 months to someone, and they also have a shop as well. So yeah, we love Vellabox over here. Let's get it open, see what we got. It sounds like it's gonna be so good. I peeked because I wanted to see if I should open both boxes or not. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Yeah, the candles always come in these beautiful reusable canvas bags, and they're different each month. So I get the $30 box, the Vivere box it's called. And it says here, on cloud 9. Oh, cute, and there's clouds on our little bag here. When I said that, I looked at the, the camera. It says 222 is the time, and I'm filming this on 222. Ooh, the extra gift is so good this month. Okay, let's talk about our featured company here before we open it. So the featured candle maker is Moco Fragrances. They are based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. In late 2018, Moco began in founder Morgan Connor's apartment kitchen. As a fresh design school graduate with a burning passion for hands-on artistry, she embarked on a journey to create functional goods, candles. In 2021, after a period of discovery and growth, Moco revealed the Delights collection, presenting a refreshed aesthetic that embodies the essence of joyful resurgence after months of darkness. Oh, I like that. So it talks more about them, how they're sustainable, and it's all about the magic of fragrance, the personal, nostalgic, and experience-enhancing kind. Love that. So their website is mocofragrances.com. Nice. So let's get to the candle. Let's get it open. Oh my God. So I got mine from the sweet and spice category. Again, you fill out a profile so you get certain scent families. Croissant. I can't say it like the French people say. I hear people say it all the time. Oh, cool. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. But croissant. So the fragrance notes: butter, vanilla, and toasted almonds. This is a 16-ounce candle. Oh my God, it sounds so good. So candles are made with 100% USA grown soy wax, phthalate-free fragrance oils, and cotton core wicks. Moco Fragrances is a zero-waste studio in Indianapolis. I love that. Well, let's do the sniff test. Oh my God, I could eat it. It smells so good. Okay, so right away I got the vanilla scent, but now I'm also picking up on the notes of almond. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so let's read the description. And I will pretend there's smell-o-vision. You guys can take a whiff in. And it's like you're smelling it yourself. So here it says the notes are, it lists some more. Honey, toasted almonds, vanilla, bourbon, and butter. All right, now take a whiff. Transport yourself to a Parisian bakery. The warm and buttery aroma of freshly baked croissants fill the air, blended with rich notes of vanilla and toasted almonds. Close your eyes and savor the delicious fragrance that evokes memories of lazy Sunday mornings and strolls along the Seine. It's somewhere in Paris, I'm guessing. Emmy, come here. Want to take a sniff? She's just staring at me. Hi, girl. Smells so good. Does anyone else like try and include their cats in things, like when they're eating or something, those like, or like drinking something, just let your cat sniff it? She has no interest in my food or anything, but I feel like it includes her and she appreciates that. Come here, girl. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love it. Oh my God. It is like nostalgic and yummy. It's like getting close to dinner time. I'm like, now I want dessert. So good. Let's talk about our little extra goodies. We have gold candle coasters. These are so cute. So these are to put your coasters, or to put your candles on. Coasters for candles. Can I see? Oh my God, I really like these. So perfect size. Love that. Burn your candles safely and cute. So it's a set of 2. Of course, they're by Vellabox, and it has a $15 value. That's awesome. Whether you're setting down your Vellabox candle to create a warm, inviting ambiance, or resting a glass filled with your favorite drink, oh yeah, it could double as that too. These coasters ensure style and protection for your surfaces, made with durable metal with a sleek, polished gold finish. I really do like the gold. I love these. I'm gonna use it right away. And I forgot to mention that Vellabox creates a playlist to go with the candles every month. And this month it's called Love Letter, a playlist where love songs meet anthems of self-love. Each track is a celebration of affection, whether it's for someone special or the love you hold for yourself. Includes a mix of genres, including smooth R&B to empowering dance pop. Curated just for the February Vellabox. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. I love that. I love everything about Vellabox. It's always so good. I love the candles. I love the extra goodies. I love that they support small businesses and it's all like clean candles and they're sustainable. I just rave about them every month for a reason. I've been getting it forever and I get one in PR and I pay for one. And I use them every month. They seriously last me the entire month. I'm almost done with my second candle from last month. I think this one's called like Cozy Cabin. It's really good. I went through the like spicy one first. You guys, if you guys were here last month, they're both so good. But yeah, I burn it for a few hours every day and it lasts me like the whole month. It's so good. So good. But remember, you can get the smaller one too if you want to just start out. So you'll get this candle or one of the 4 featured this month. In a smaller size. So yeah, and remember to use that code if you do subscribe. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Vellabox for sending me their box. I love it. Thank you guys for being here and watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if you wish, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you so much. Bye.